I've really enjoyed the conference because of all the resources that I've been able to gather. The talks have been really interesting.
I've just come to the ASE conference for the first time and I've had a fabulous time. It's been extremely informative.
The conference has been absolutely amazing. I've done 4 sessions and each one of them has been really, really high quality.
Networking with people, meeting people who I've heard their names but not met the faces, and getting to know everybody.
Really exciting. It's really so good to always meet people, like-minded people, where you can feel you resonate with them. It's a sort of the boost after the Christmas lull to get you going through the year. Listening to so many talks about practicals, required practical. It was so exciting. So super happy to be here. Because I'm a teacher educator, I really make sure that my trainees know about the ASE and how important it is for them to come and attend. So I have 3 of them who attend this year on a Saturday morning, which is brilliant. I really love this.
So I'm a trainee teacher, so I've come here to sort of get a little bit more information on how I can improve my teaching, and I thought this was a really, really useful supplement to what I've been learning in my college sessions, and I feel it has opened my eyes to like so much possibilities and what tools I can use to help improve my teaching.